Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Arrest Auto. We are on a 2006 Passat Wagon. It's an all-killer situation and it's using a slot. So I'm supposed to make a key for the car using a semi-smart key. Now all the key for this particular model, for you to make for all-killer situation, you have to get the comfort module, which is located in here. So get the comfort module, get the chip from the comfort module, read it to get the pin and the CS code, which we will use to program the key to the car. So today we are going to try and get the comfort module out from here. Now it has been taken out. You can see that is the comfort module. That's the comfort module. So
you not go take
here's the comfort. I'll take and go. So here's the comfort module.
Yes.
There we have the comfort module. We have the XP200, and you have this adapter, EEPROM adapter to EEPROM. So we are going to take out the comfort mode, the EEPROM from this comfort module. Put it in here and use the XP200 to read. We are going to connect it to the XP200 using this one. So first of all, let's use this to get to the EEPROM. So as you can see, that's the EEPROM into one solder. Okay, from there read it, solder it, put it here on the object, read the value, so that we can get the CS code and the pin. Connect this. It must be connected. Connected. So, delete. Put here chip. Now we have saved the data read. We want to load the data. You can see the pin and the CS code, number of keys present there, and the positions of the keys. So with this, we should be able to make a dealer key. So here's the comfort model. We are in the car right now, so we'll be fixing it back. So it has been properly connected now. So with this cable, we want to do Volkswagen force on for this car, so that we should be able to complete the programming process. Here is the OBD2 connector. So as you can see, so I'm going to connect it to this part. See, this is the ignition bypass. It is off now. To look at the dashboard, so turned. Then immediately set it up. So this one. So this will act as my Volkswagen force on. So I've connected this to my tablet. As you can see, this key is not programmed. This key has not been programmed. You can see physics in the slot. Nothing. There's also my programmer. That's the key. The programmer there. So I'm going to turn on the ignition now. Volkswagen. Let's do automatic selection to see if we can read the VIN. You can see the VIN. So this is 2006, it's 205 to 2015. So we are not going through that route, we are going through this route. We're going through comfort model. We're using a 46 chip. Let me load the EEPROM data. I have it saved. There's the EEPROM data. Okay. With the pin and CS code out, make the lock key. We connect the programmer. The lock key is in the programmer. dealer key has been successfully generated. So the next thing we are going for key learning. Remember, we are going to enter the CS code. So I'll remove it from the dealer. From there, yeah, we are through with our programmer. So I'll go for key learning. Monkey. The testing vehicle status, it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Do not perform other operations. You can turn off the ignition and wait for 10 seconds and then turn the ignition on. So I'll turn off the ignition. Okay, turn it back on. So this is going to take about 10 minutes. So we might have to pause the video. Okay. Turn off ignition and then remove key. Wait for 5 seconds. Then we insert the key and turn the ignition. Turn off ignition. Okay, remove key. After 5 seconds, insert ignition. Insert key. Okay, I didn't need to turn it on from here. Immediately came up on its own. Okay, it said clearing complete. So let's go to IMO status scan. One key land. Current insert key, dealer key, locked key, yes. So everything, yes. Move this first turn on. So the first turn on device has been disconnected. I'm gonna test. You can see unlock. So
don't charge it.
You can see how the car starts. So please subscribe, like and share the videos. Thank you for watching.